Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 series, which was just released tonight. And in this video, we are just going to give you a quick look at them. And tomorrow I will do a very detailed review, just like before. So like what you want to see, what you want me to test, just leave your comments below and please subscribe if you haven't. Ooh. So let's check them out. Alright, the first device I want to show you is the Note 13 Pro Plus, which supports IP68 waterproofing. And to be honest, the first time I saw it, I think like this is the most beautiful Note phone, right? It's great, just wow, the leather finish, the color match, wow, it just feels just so good. The curved screen and just gives your hand really comfortable experience, right? Wow, I really like it. So that is this color. And about this one, this Note 13 Pro plus another color, two-tone finish, like this darker and this less dark. Okay. Ooh, definitely I like that leather one, but this one feels good too, very smooth, comfortable to hold. All right, this is the Note 13, the vanilla version. Wow, I feel like significantly lighter. All right, very light. And this Note 13 Pro, this color is a white color with the embedded something like the stars looks shiny when you turn to different angles. And this is not easy to get the fingerprints at all, right? You can even use it without the phone case. Was very light. Alright, Note 13 Pro, another color. This like a mirror finish, but this one feels smooth but looks very easy to get the fingerprints. You see the smudges on it. Whoa, you can see the camera module, 200 megapixels. So will be good, right? Looks like a iPhone, like iPhone 14. The design. Wow, check out, it still keeps the 3.5mm headphone jack. That's a real thing in nowadays phones, right? Also, another color for the Note 13 Pro, the kind of blue finish. Wow, this like really excites me when I check out the specs. It's like that gives you 200 megapixel camera, 1.5K screen, 5,100 milliamp battery, 67 watts supercharge, and the second generation Snapdragon 7S. Zips up to 16 gigs plus 512 gigs of storage, and the super durable design. So alright, that is the shop is about to close in 10 minutes. So that is the first look of the Note 13 series. Definitely feels comfortable, really nice, and wow, surprisingly it has it wowed me. Alright, so stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, I'm leaving now.